Hello everyone, I'm KB Kwan from tasteasianfood.com. Today, I want to show you how to prepare sauteed asparagus Chinese style. I also want to show you some simple technique that you can do it at home, how to prevent the asparagus from overcook, to keep the bright green color, and tender and crisp. You can get a recipe by following the link in the description right below the video. So without further ado, let's dive in and take a look. Let's start with preparing the asparagus. Cut off roughly 3 cm from the bottom of each spears. Peel off the stringy exterior of the asparagus until it got into the tender interior. Heat up some water until it's boiling. Put the asparagus into it, blanch it for about 1 minute. When the center of the asparagus starts to change to translucent, remove it. That is when it is nearly cooked. Put it into a pot of cold water to stop cooking immediately. That will preserve the color and the crispiness. Next, prepare the sauce for the asparagus. This is dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, some sugar, little bit of salt, a dash of white pepper, and dilute with some water. And this is the Chinese style sauce for the asparagus. Crush a few cloves of garlic and then coarsely chop. Heat up some oil in the pan. Saute the garlic over low heat until it turns aromatic. Once it turns aromatic, turn up the heat. And it's time to add the asparagus. Saute it over high heat to about 1 minute. So we add the sauce that we have made earlier on, combined with the asparagus. And turn down the heat. Add some rice wine, a little bit of sesame oil. And then thicken the sauce with some cornstarch slurry. You may not need to use up all the cornstarch slurry. As long as the sauce becomes thick, it is good enough. A little bit more. Okay. Turn off the heat. Place the asparagus on a chopping board and cut it into 2. Arrange the asparagus on the plates. Drizzle the remaining sauce from the pan onto the asparagus. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed the sauteed asparagus Chinese style. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button and give me a like. Until the next video, I'll see you again. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.